Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here today with a Happy Mail video. And this is from Miss Sandy Nagel, who is Decorate Your Life here on YouTube. Yes, I've opened and pulled out the box, but I haven't opened the box. So here we go. I see we have a die. Ooh, I like this one. Well, that's going to be put in my die book. And here's a shaker card she made. It says hello. Ooh, this is my winnings from one of her giveaways. Cool beans, and it's all spellbinder. So let's dig into it and see what we have. I'm going to fold this over so I don't get myself stuck. So we got something to do, design cards. Oh, we got a little fox die. Yes, for paper piecing. Then we have some die cuts of houses. This is Hey Foxy. It's houses, flowers. See? Here's, oh, we got this die cut. We got a fox. We got a butterfly. Oh, look, a little bitty planner. And we got these quotes. We got house. More flowers. So this is all the same. They got different banners, different quotes, and stuff like that in it. So let's get this back in. Get in there. We don't want to lose you. So we got some double-sided tape here, I think. Yep, double-sided tape. We have some sequins. Some poppy dots. Let's see. We have envelopes and card bases to make cards. Oops, this must have fallen out of the other envelope here. So let's go and put that back in. I will do my own little packaging for this. So, and then we have, oops, daisy, a paper pad. Let's go and check this one out. So here's all the pages. Oh, that's pretty. This is a woven pattern. We got floral, little houses. We have this, floral again, polka dots. This one has script written on it. This one has all the butterflies on it. Foil butterflies. And it looks like, I don't know, another bug right there. See that one? Looks like a little alien. We have this one. It looks like raindrops. Let's go. Oh, I think it's 3 pages of each. Oh, we got this one. This is a page of foxes. We got that one. This one. Oh, here's the butterfly one. Any of those weird insects on here? Here's one with bows. This one. Oh, this one's got foil on it. Let's see. There we go. Next one is that one. Then we got that one. I like this one. So they're all single-sided, as you can see. And I think it repeats. Yep, it repeats. Okay. So we got that. And then we got a stamp set. Ooh, I can't wait to use this one. Then we got some 3D letters. Letters, quotes, cool beans. And then what's in here? All the paper. Ooh. Now, let's close the box for a bit. And we're going to look at this paper. Let's put all this together. So we got this cardstock, which is white. Then we got the gold shimmer one. Regular gold. Well, this is craft cardstock. Then we got pink. Then we got like a baby blue. Black. We got maroon, if I can get it away. See? We got baby pink. This is a light, almost like a peach pink. And then another white one. Oh, this is like a green, mint green. I thought it was white the way it hit the light. Okay. I guess it was from the paper. Because you see, in here it looks white. But if I take it out and put it under the light, it's a mint green. So I'm going to put this all back in here. And I want to thank Miss Sandy for my winnings. So, thank you so much, Miss Sandy. This is greatly appreciated. And I can't wait to use the stuff in here to do a project. I know I'm not putting it back all in the same way, but that's all right. So, that is my winnings from Miss Sandy, who is Decorate Your Life. I will link her down below in the description box, her channel and her shop. So, this is my Spellbinders winnings from Decorate Your Life. Here's the gorgeous card that she made. So, I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that big red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, when I do a premiere. You never know. So, please be blessed, be kind, be crafty, be safe. And happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.